Senior Congress leaders Randeep Singh Surjewala, Dr. Parameshwar and DK Shivkumar have filed a police complaint in Bengaluru's High Grounds police station against Union Home Minister and BJP leader Amit Shah and organizers of a Bharatiya Janata Party rally for making provocative statements, promoting enmity and hatred and maligning opposition. Citing Shah's riots if Congress comes to power remark, Karnataka Congress chief DK Shivkumar said, action should be taken according to law. If a common man had done it, he would have been arrested. The Union Home Minister cannot say if Congress comes to power, there will be communal riots. He is the Home Minister, not the star campaigner of the BJP. More than 20 cases have been filed against me for nothing. The Indian National Congress has already filed a complaint with the Election Commission. After filing the complaint there, we came here, he added. Confirming the move, senior Congress leader Randeep Singh Surjewala said, "We have come to the High Grounds PS with an important issue. We have filed an FIR against Union Home Minister Amit Shah. DK Shivkumar and Siddaramaiah had also demanded a ban on PFI, but CM Basavaraj Bommai did not take any action. Since the BJP is losing this election, dipping below 40 seats, they have become desperate. Now they are resorting to making fake and false statements," he said. He added that his party has filed the FIR under Section 153A, that is, promoting enmity between different groups on grounds of religion, race, place of birth, residence, language. 171G, that is, false statements in connection with an election. 5052, that is, statements creating or promoting enmity, hatred or ill will between classes, and 123, that is, concealing with intent to facilitate design to wage war of the Indian Penal Code.